One sunny afternoon, a little boy had a wonderful idea. I want to go on a phonics walk. Time to find some letter sounds. My phonics walk starts now. An ant. A-N-T. A says ah. Ant. An ape. A-P-E. A says ah ah. Ant. Ape. What letter will I find next? I see a playground. More letters to find. A ball. B-A-L-L. B says boo, 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 ball. A bus. B-U-S. B says boo. Ball, bus, both start with B. A garden. I wonder what letter is here. A cat. C. A-T. C says coo, coo, coo. Cat. A cup. C. U-P. C says coo, cat, cup. Both start with C. Cat. Meow. Cup. C says coo. I love the letter C. Cat. Cup. C says coo. I love the letter C. A dog. D says duh, 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 dog. A door. D says duh, dog, door. Both start with D. I learned D. What letter is next? A tree. T-R-E-E-T says doo, 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 tree. A truck. T-R-U-C-K. T says the, tree, truck. Both start with T. D says dog, dog, door. T says duh, tree, truck. I learned D and T. What a great phonics walk. I learned so many letters. A fish. F-I-S-H. F says fish. A fox. F-O-X. F says fish. Fox. Both start with F. Fish. Fox. F says f. I love the letter F. A farm. I bet there are more letters here. A goat. G-O-A-T. G-G says ga, 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 goat. A goat. G-G-O-A-T, ga. G says ga, 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 goat. A gate. G-A-T-E. G says goat, gate. Both start with G. Goat. Gate. G says I love the letter G. A village. More letters are waiting for me. A hat. H-A-T. T says hat. A hen. H-E-N. H says hat. Hen. Both start with H. Hat. Hen. Hen. H says I love the letter H. So many things. What letter will I find here? Some jam. J-A-M. J says j, jam. A jug. J-U-G. J says jam. Jug. Both start with J. Jam. Jug. J says j. I love the letter J. A kite. I want to see it up close. Akite, K-I-T, tay. K says goo, 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 ki. Aki, K-E-Y. K says goo, kite, ki. Both start with K. Kai, kite, ki. K says ku. I love the letter K. A magical forest. I wonder what letters live here. A leaf. L-E-A-F. L says lo, leaf. A log. L-O-G. L says L-L. Leaf. Log. Both start with L. Leaf. Log. L says L-L-L. I love the letter L. Goodbye. A little cottage. Maybe I can find more letters here. A mop. M-O-P. M says mop. That's right. A mug. M-U-G. M says mop. Mug. Both start with M. Mop. Mug. Mug. M-Sem says I love the letter M. What a kind lady. I wonder what letter I will find next. A net. N-E-T. N says N-Nen. Nen. Net. A nut. N-U-T-T. Net. Nut. N says N-N-N. I love the letter N. A farm with animals. I love animals. More letters to find. A pig. P-I-G. P says poo. A pan. P-A-N. P says poo. Pig. Pan. Both start with P. Pig. Pan. P says poo. I love the letter P. What a cozy spot. I wonder what letter is hiding here. A rug. R-U-G-R says r-ah, rug. I rat. R-A-T. R says rug. Rat. Both start with R. Rug. Rat. R says R. I love the letter R. A web. W-E-B. W says woo. Web. A wig. W-I-G. W says woo. Web. Wig. Both start with W. Web. Wig. W says woo. I love the letter W. What a beautiful day. The sun is so warm. The sun. S-U-N. S says sus. Sun. I sit. S-I-T. Sun. Sit. Both start with S. Sun. Sit. S says S. I love the letter S. What an amazing day. I learned so many letters. Time to go home. A van. V-A-N. V says V. Van. Good job. A vet. V-E-T. V says V. Van. Vet. Both start with V. Van. Vet. V says V. I love the letter V. Almost home. But I think I see more letters. I zip. Z. I. P. Z says Z. Zip. A zap. Z. A. P. Z says zip. Zap. Both start with Z. I can see my house. But wait, one more letter. Zip. Zap. Z Z says Z. I love the letter Z. I am home. What an amazing phonics walk. Welcome home, sweetheart. Mom, I learned so many letters today. Let me show you. Oh, tell me all about it. D says duh, like dog and door. That's right. T says tuh, like tree and truck. Very good, sweetie. You remembered them. B says buh, like ball and bus. C says kuh, like cat and cup. F says fa, like fish and fox.
That's right.
G says guh, like in goat and gate. K says ku, like kite and key. L says LL, like leaf and log. H says huh, like hat and hen. J says juh, like jam and jug. M says like mop and mug. N says n, like net and nut. P says poo, like pig and pan.
That's right.
R says rar, like rug and rat.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
S says SSS. V says VVV. W says woo. Z says Z.
I am so proud of you. You learned so many letters. You are such a smart boy.
Good night, my little learner. Next phonics walk.
Did you have a good walk?